Going on, guys? Your artist, your favorite artist, On the Loose, the artist. And right now I'm actually at Kings Park in Long Island, New York. And I was here yesterday at Kings Park Bluff, which is actually a beach, right, that you see behind me. So I guess the fact that it's Kings Park Bluff makes sense because it's like Kings Park, bluffing. It's really a beach. But regardless, I'm here. While I was here, I had approached while I was working out this big rock, right? This big rock that you see here, and I was like, wow, this rock is a little tagged up or whatnot, but I was like, yo, it would be cool to do something on this rock. So that's what I'm gonna do. I had an idea, and I'm going to paint like a funny crab on there, right? Since we're at the beach, just because it's sticking out, and I thought of a crab coming out of the sand. So, if you guys are ready, a little tag. Let's get into it.